Let's talk about stir fries. I get a lot of messages and requests. A lot of people at home can't get their stir fries right. Too soupy, too mushy, disgusting flavor. Let's fix that for you. First thing you're going to need, guys, is a carbon steel wok. Okay, a really good carbon steel wok. Invest some money into one of these things. Nice, big, wide, flat bottom is what you want. You don't want a little narrow circle. You want a big, wide circle so that it covers your burner. Okay. Here is my go-to stir fry sauce, and the recipe is further below. Just have a look. Some toasted sesame oil, nice finishing oil if you want to put that in later. Noodles are optional. Some neutral oil. Okay. Mix of vegetables. Okay. Any type of vegetable you like, you get it in there. I'm going to go with shrimp, but you can do chicken, beef, pork, tofu. Some ginger and or garlic, or both, finely chopped. Now, your kitchen's going to get smoky. It's going to happen, guys. Don't be afraid to cook aggressively in your kitchen. So high heat all the way. I'm going to get this pan red hot. The reason why your stir fries at home are getting soupy is because you're allowing all the juices to come out of your vegetables. You may be putting in too much. The idea is not to let your pan cool down, okay? So I'm going to get this pan smoking hot, then I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to bring that up almost to the smoke point, and then we'll start our stir fry. As you can see, my pan is screaming hot. I'm going to get in here with some oil. I'm going to put a couple tablespoons. I'm doing a stir fry here for 2 people. I'm going to let this get really, really hot. And once this comes to the smoke point, I'm going to throw in my vegetables, spread them out evenly, and let them sit. Get a nice sear on them. Let them caramelize a little bit. Just make sure your vent is on. Maybe open a door, open a window, let the air flow through. A little bit of pepper if you want. A little bit of salt, only if your stir fry sauce you're using is not salty, okay? You can let that sit for a moment. The ginger and the shrimp will go in at the same time. I don't want to burn the ginger. You can see I got some color on my vegetables already. Okay, we don't want to overcook these. Just let them sit, let them do their thing. If you feel you need a little bit more oil, go ahead and put some in. As you can see, this pan is still really hot, and that allows these vegetables to actually sear instead of boil in their own juices. Okay, now I can put my shrimp in, and my ginger, okay? Let's get that in. And garlic if you want to put it in as well. So the heat is on high all the way through here. A touch more oil, not too much more, just a little bit. So we're giving these shrimp just a little bit of color here now. That's all we're looking for. They will cook once I put some sauce in this pan, okay? Now, if I was going to use some noodles, I would probably put a handful of these in right now. This is just a Chinese noodle. You can use any noodle you want. You could even use linguine or spaghettini, something like that. All right, I'm happy with this. I'm going to give my sauce a good shake. And I'm going to put in maybe 1/3 of a cup to start. See how that looks. Once this comes to a simmer, you'll notice it thickens up. That's the cornstarch. Okay? Cornstarch doing its thing. looking great. All right. Another 20 seconds and we are finished. Amazing. Give this method a try at home, folks.